Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your customer balance report on QuickBooks Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your customer balance report on QuickBooks Online. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on where it says reports and highlight it, and then click on standard reports. Now on this page here, you want to go and scroll down, and underneath where it says who owes you, this is where you can find your customer balance summary and also your customer balance detail. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your customer balance report on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.